Hello, fantastic Fabian and mom lovers. Today we're going to be preparing some spicy lemon pepper chicken. So since we're in quarantine, I decided to whip out a meal that would be so delicious and entertaining to everyone. So let me know what you think. Like, please comment, subscribe. Thank you. Here's the chicken that I'm going to be making today. I got some wings from the store, so I will be cleaning them up with some lemon. I have a liquid lemon and a regular lemon. Cleaning that there up. Please, how do you watch your chicken? This is how I clean my chicken. Clean my chicken with force. I clean my chicken to remove every bacteria. Like it's war, guys. You really have to clean your chicken. Seriously, don't listen to any articles or anything that say you don't have to clean your chicken. Make sure your sink is properly clean, and then you clean your chicken, drain out the water, and then I grate some lemons. And still grate the lemons, put them back in the chicken. Part of the seasoning, y'all, trust me. Lemon pepper, with a dash of lemon pepper, with the whole oregano, a dash of that, adobo, a little bit of that, and Cameroun pepper. If you are African, have you ever tried Cameroun pepper? That stuff is spicy, very spicy. And this is just black pepper, and then I toss and 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 toss. Then you bring the nylon bag, cover it up, cover it up, cover it up, put it in the fridge to marinate. Put your oil up, some garlic, some onions, take the chicken and rub everything. Trust me, once you hear this from me, you know this food is about to be delicious. So now you wait, and when you start turning, I like the chicken dark, real cooked, like dark, like skin tone, dark. If it's not dark, I'm not eating it, I'm not putting it in my mouth. So while you are waiting and thinking this girl is gonna have chicken, no, this is the way I like my chicken. That's why I don't get to order my chicken from stores. You know what I do? I just come in and put it in dry, please. Darker the better. The darker the better. As soon as it gets dark, you toss and turn, toss and turn, you turn and turn, you fry it, fry it, fry it, fry it, fry it. Let's keep frying. Let's wait. I'm frying. So while it's frying, guys, did you subscribe to my YouTube channel yet? Subscribe, like. We have beautiful vlogs, man. Fabian will get you laughing, for real. So this chicken is done. We're taking it out of the pan now. We're gonna set it aside to cool a little bit, to cool, and then as it's cooling, we're looking at something else. See the chicken? Oh, I did that. Good. We put it on the side, and then we add 2 slices of butter, 2 tablespoons of butter. That's what I do. Squeeze up lemon, squeeze the lemon, squeeze it. Like you see lemon, you make a lemonade. No, you make spicy lemon chicken. You have persil flakes. A lot of that. That's good. A little bit of the lemon pepper seasoning. Toss it, toss it, toss it, toss it, toss it, toss it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, daddy. Yay! And you pour it on the chicken. Pour it on the chicken. And now we just toss. Believe me, by the time I was done, my house was delicious. And then we need that wine. I need the wine. I'm sorry. I need to drink something. Because I cannot just be eating chicken like that. I can't keep myself. I'm sorry, guys. So I'm getting my little suki now. Ooh, that's some sweet potato fries. And you put your lemon slices on the side.
Then I'm gonna get the review from one of my.
Once you do this, ooh, you have dinner in your hand. Ooh, Netflix and chill. Don't say I didn't tell you. So I get my little spicy, tasty body here to taste it.
That's really good. You sure? Ooh, okay. On a scale of 1 to 10. 10. 10. Oh, it's taco.
Of course, I'm his mama. He will not trade me for nothing. Telling me my chicken is 10. 10 over 10. 10 over 10. 10 over 10. 10 over 10. Yay! I'm grateful to God for wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day. Oh, yes, time to eat, time to relax, time to shoe my chicken, shoe the chicken well, the same way that I want to show it. After I'm done showing the chicken, I will visit the gym. No, who's visiting what gym, please? Yeah, this is how the chicken end up. Oh, poor chicken, poor bird. Who did that? Cheers to the life. Cheers to the life. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. Please share this video, like, comment. See you in my next video. Let me know if you try this recipe, and then let me know what you want me to cook next. Bye bye.